Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Isus Akif bin Ahmad Asmadi. My student ID is 2025231814 from class 2C. So today I would like to present video AGR 499. The topic I choose is fruits and seeds development. Table of content, introduction of fruit and seed, fruit types, seed structure, seed development, germination types, and last conclusion. So we move to the introduction. Fruit and seed development is a vital process in the reproductive cycle of flowering plants. After pollination and fertilization, the structures inside the flower begin to transform. The ovule develops into a seed, while the ovary grows into a fruit. This process not only protects the developing embryo inside the seed, but also helps ensure the successful dispersal of new plants. Through fruit formation, seeds can be spread by wind, water, animals, or other mechanisms, increasing the chance of survival. Understanding how fruits and seeds develop help us appreciate how plants reproduce, adapt, and sustain life across different environments. Next, we move to the fruit types. Uh, for example, simple fruits is pea fruit. Aggregate fruits is raspberry and blackberry. For multiple fruits is pineapple, and fast fruit or accessory fruit is apple. So this seed structure, seed coat is the outer protective layer of the seed, protects the embryo from drying out, physical damage, and disease. There is two types of seed. First is monocotyledon and dicotyledon. The difference between two types of seed, the monocotyledon is single cotyledon and dicotyledon is two cotyledon. Both seeds have their seed coat, endosperm, cotyledon, and first true leaf. The difference only cotyledon. Monocotyledon have one cotyledon and dicotyledon have two cotyledon. So we move to the next slide. Seed development. Development begins after fertilization in flowering plants and involves the formation of three main structures. The first one is embryo, the second one is endosperm, and the third one is seed coat. So the embryo out of the seed coat, and then cotyledon is up to the when the seed gets water, oxygen, and the right temperature, the dormancy ends. The radicle emerge first into root, and then the plumule grows upward into shoot. This begins the growth of a new plant. Next, we move into the video of the seed germination. A fruit consists of seeds enclosed in a mature ovary of a flowering gland when the eggs in ovule and apple flower have been fertilized. The petals, stamens, and upper portion of the pistil fall away. The wall will be ovary and an apple heart at the supporting stem, becomes fluffy and grows up and around the ovary as the seed develops inside. The remains of the seed could be seen at the end of the fruit. The fruit is attached to the plant at the opposite or stem end of the fruit. So this video show us how fruits and seed development. So next we move into the next slide. The next slide is germination types. Okay, germination types have two types. First, epigynous, and second is hypogynous. Epigynous germination, this when the cotyledon come out of the soil. The hypocotyl, the stem part below of the cotyledon, grows long and push the cotyledons outward. The cotyledons come above the soil and turn green. They help the young plant make food for a short time. After the plant grows through leaf, the cotyledon usually dry up and fall off. However, the hypogynous germination is when the cotyledons stay inside the soil. The epicotyl grows longer. The true leaves appear above the ground first. The cotyledons stay underground and act as a food storage for the young plants. So that's the difference between the epigynous and hypogynous germination. So next we move into the next slide. The last one is conclusion. So fruit and seed development is an important stage in the plant life cycle because it ensures the continuation of the species. After fertilization, the ovule becomes a seed containing a protected embryo and store food needed for germination. At the same time, the ovary develops into a fruit which protects the seed and helps in their dispersal. As the seed matures, it undergoes change such as the formation of the seed coat, the development of food reserve, and the creation of a dormant embryo ready to grow. The conditions are suitable. Overall, fruit and seed development plays a key role in reproduction, protection, survival, and the successful spread of new plants. So thank you. That's all from me. Thank you for watching and listening.